Maxwell. Max, I know you can hear me. Don't ignore me. What an ass. Maxwell. Psst. You little dickhead. I swear he loves me. I swear he does. Max. You do anything but look at me. Hello? Psst. Oh, what a brat. Hi. I'm talking to you.